Hi, I'm Mrs. Krieger. I'm down at KAMSC, and we'd like to share with you a challenge that we recently gave to students. We asked them, see who could build the tallest hat in 1 hour, made only of paper, and it had to stand on our model's head for 10 seconds. This is our model, Terrence, the emotional support bear. He's a resident down here at KAMSC, and he is going to be modeling the hats the students made. Now, we had some fails and we had many successes, but students had to learn what they could do to make paper stronger, or to make a structure remain standing long enough. It had to hold together long enough, and look at the science of all of that while having a lot of fun. We will show you who got the tallest hat at the end in the information. So I hope you enjoy this, and we all want to say thank you to Terrence for modeling for us today. Thank you, Terrence, for doing such a great job modeling for us today. I just wanted to remind you, if you would like to come to KAMSC Summer Camp next year, you can go to the KAMSC link online. It'll be in the information below. You can also learn about a scholarship that's available. If you have trouble paying for the classes, we'd like to help you with that. And if you would like to see what else we do down here, please visit our link and check out the information at the end. Thank you.